Hi friends, my name is Nandita. I am from Andhra Pradesh.
Good morning dear students. Today we are going to discuss about control and coordination from chapter 7 class 10 CBSE syllabus. Children, now let us discuss about adrenal gland. The adrenal glands are a pair of small triangular shaped glands located on the top of each kidney. They produce hormones that regulates many important bodily functions including blood pressure, heart rate and metabolism. The adrenal glands are also known as suprarenal glands or endocrine glands that contain adrenal and the steroids aldosterone and cortisol among other hormones. Children, let us discuss the parts of adrenal glands. Adrenal cortex. The outer layer of adrenal gland that produces steroid hormones is called adrenal cortex. Adrenal medulla. The central of the adrenal gland that produces catecholamines such as epinephrine and epinephrine. Hormones that produced by adrenal glands. Cortisol helps regulating the body's response to stress. Aldosterone helps regulates the body pressure and salts and water levels. Epinephrine, catecholamine that helps regulates the body response to stress. Norepinephrine, catecholamine that helps regulates the body's response to stress. These are the hormones which are produced by adrenal glands, and testosterone also a hormone that produced by adrenal glands in small amounts. Children, let us discuss the disorders of adrenal gland. An adrenal insufficiency caused by Addison's disease occurs when the adrenal gland do not produce enough hormones. Nodules. Nodules can be benign or malignant and can produce excessive amount of hormones. High cortisol levels can cause upper body obesity, fatigue, high blood pressure, diabetes and more. Children, let us discuss about adrenaline hormone. An adrenaline known as epinephrine is secreted by adrenal gland. Adrenaline is also known as epinephrine is a hormone that helps the body to respond stressful or dangerous situations. It released by the adrenal gland which is located above the kidneys. The adrenaline main effects involving raising heart rate, blood pressure, widening lungs for air passages, enlarging the pupil in the eye, redistributing blood to muscles and charging the body's metabolism to maximizing the blood sugar levels mainly for the brain. Children, let us see how this gland works. When the brain detects stress, it sends signals messages to the adrenal gland. The adrenal gland releases adrenaline into the bloodstream. The adrenaline causes a number of changes in the body, including faster the heart rate, faster the breathing, increased blood pressure, increased blood sugar levels, increased alertness, large pupils, sweating, reduced pain. Children, let us see when it releases the hormone. When adrenaline is released during short-term stress such as fear or sudden shock, it can also be released in response to anxiety, worry or thoughts. Let us see which medicine is used for this adrenal released hormone. Adrenal is used as a medicine to treat conditions like cardiac arrest, allergic reactions and superficial bleedings. It can also be used to treat asthma and cough. Let us see the side effects of this hormone. The adrenal can cause side effects like anxiety, shakiness and sweating. It can also cause a faster heart rate and high blood pressure. Children, now let us discuss about aldosterone hormone. This aldosterone hormone is a steroid hormone secreted by the adrenal gland. Aldosterone is a hormone that helps to regulate blood pressure and fluid balance in the body. It produced in the adrenal gland which sit on the top of the kidneys. The main function of the aldosterone is to control salt and water in the body, thus influencing blood pressure. Children, now let us discuss how this aldosterone hormone works. This aldosterone helps balance sodium and potassium levels in the body. When the blood pressure is low, aldosterone signals the kidney to retain sodium and secrete potassium. This increases the amount of water in the bloodstream, which increases the blood pressure. When blood pressure returns to normal, aldosterone levels decreases. Children, let us discuss what happens when aldosterone levels are abnormal. Too much aldosterone can cause high blood pressure and low potassium levels, and too little aldosterone also can cause impact on the health. Children, now let us discuss how is aldosterone measured. An aldosterone test measures the amount of aldosterone hormone in your body or by urine. Children, now let us discuss what conditions are associated with abnormal aldosterone levels. Hyperaldosteronism is a condition associated with abnormal aldosterone levels, symptoms including high blood pressure and low potassium levels. Children, now let us discuss another hormone which is called cortisol. This cortisol is a steroid hormone secreted by adrenal gland. Cortisol is a hormone that helps the body respond to stress, regulate blood pressure and control inflammation. It also known as stress hormone. This cortisol controls a variety of vital functions in the body, including metabolism and immune response. It plays a vital role in assisting the body's stress response. Children, let us discuss how this cortisol hormone works. The pituitary gland in the brain regulates how much cortisol the adrenal gland releases. When you are stressed, the pituitary gland signals the adrenal glands to produce more cortisol. Cortisol's levels fluctuate throughout the day. Children, let us see how does it works. It helps the body respond to stress and danger, and it helps to control blood pressure. It helps to regulate the blood sugar and also regulate the metabolism. It also helps to regulate the sleep awake cycle and controls the inflammation. It also helps to regulate the immune system. Children, now let us discuss when cortisol levels are too high or too low, what happens. The high levels can lead to Cushing syndrome, which can cause a rapid weight gain, high blood pressure, and osteoporosis. The low levels of cortisol can lead to Addison's disease, which can cause fatigue, dizziness, and weight loss, etc. Children, let us discuss how this can be measured. The cortisol levels can be measured in blood, urine, saliva, or hair, and the treatment is cortisols like compounds called corticosteroids are sometimes used to treat cortisol related diseases. Children, now let us discuss about dihydropentosterone sulfate, which is also called DHEA. The DHEA is secreted by the adrenal gland, and it is a steroid hormone that is produced in the adrenal gland and is a building block of the hormones testosterone and estrogen. It is a weak androgen but can be converted to more potent androgens in the body. The DHEA is a male sex hormone that both men and women produce. DHEA is required for the production of both the male and female sex hormones testosterone and estrogen. It also plays a role in the maturation of male sexual characteristics during puberty. Children, let us discuss how this DHEA works. DHEA is a building blocks of testosterone and estrogen, and it also regulates CBSE gland activity. It is used to paralytical drug in Japan to treat cervical dilations and ripening during childbirth. DHEA is a test measure the amount of DHEA in the blood. Blood is drawn from a vein, usually from the back of the hand or inside the elbow. Children, let us discuss how does it change the age. This DHEAS levels in newborns are high but falls to prepubertal levels within a few days. DHEAS levels increase during adolescence around the age 7 to 9 and continue to increase until the third decade of life. These DHEAS levels can start to decrease, reaching an amount of 20% of the level at high age 25 by age 30. Related conditions like women with adrenal insufficiency have low levels of DHEAS. Lower than normal levels of DHEA in older people have been associated with osteoporosis, heart diseases, memory loss, and breast cancer. Thank you.